Will cryptocurrency ever replace traditional money? The digital revolution of money. Imagine walking into a store, picking up a cup of coffee, and instead of paying with cash or your credit card, you tap your phone and send Bitcoin or Ethereum directly to the cashier's digital wallet. No banks, no middlemen, just a decentralized peer-to-peer transaction. Sounds futuristic? Maybe. But with the rise of cryptocurrency, this scenario is becoming more plausible by the day. But here's the big question. Will cryptocurrency ever fully replace traditional money? Or is it just a speculative bubble that will fade over time? To answer this, we need to break down the facts, analyze its potential, and explore the challenges ahead. The rise of cryptocurrency, a threat to traditional money. Cryptocurrency was born out of the 2008 financial crisis, when distrust in traditional banks reached an all-time high. In 2009, Bitcoin was introduced by an anonymous creator known as Satoshi Nakamoto. The idea? A decentralized digital currency that operates outside of government and bank control. Unlike traditional fiat currency, which is printed and regulated by central banks, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are based on blockchain technology, a secure, transparent, and decentralized ledger that verifies every transaction. Fast forward to today, over 20,000 cryptocurrencies exist, with billions of dollars traded daily. Countries, businesses, and even governments are paying close attention, some embracing it, others trying to regulate or ban it. So, does this mean we're heading toward a world where traditional money becomes obsolete? Not so fast. The case for cryptocurrency replacing traditional money. Many crypto enthusiasts argue that digital currencies are the future and have the potential to completely replace government-issued money. Here's why. Decentralization equals more financial freedom. Unlike fiat money, which is controlled by central banks, crypto operates independently, removing the need for third parties like banks and payment processors. No government control, no middlemen fees. Faster, borderless transactions. For example, if you send $1,000 internationally, a traditional bank might take days and charge high fees. But with Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can send that money in minutes with much lower costs. Limited supply equals hedge against inflation. Most cryptocurrencies have a fixed supply, unlike traditional money, which governments can print endlessly. Example: Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million coins, meaning it cannot be inflated like the US dollar or euro. As central banks continue printing money, leading to inflation, cryptocurrencies could serve as a more stable store of value. Financial inclusion for the unbanked. Over 1.7 billion people worldwide don't have access to traditional banking services. Cryptocurrency allows anyone with a smartphone and internet access to participate in the global economy. No need for bank accounts, credit scores, or financial history, just a digital wallet. This could be a game changer for developing countries where banking systems are weak or corrupt. The challenges: why crypto might not replace traditional money. Despite its advantages, cryptocurrency still faces major obstacles before it can fully replace traditional money. Volatility. Can you trust crypto? Imagine going to buy groceries and the price of Bitcoin drops 20% in an hour. Extreme price fluctuations make crypto unreliable for daily transactions. Merchants hesitate to accept crypto due to instability. Investors treat it as speculation, not a currency. Until crypto becomes more stable, it's unlikely to replace cash or credit cards. Government regulations and bans. Governments don't like things they can't control. Many have restricted or banned crypto because it undermines their control over monetary policy, can be used for illegal activities, money laundering, tax evasion, etc. Poses risks to economic stability. Example: China banned cryptocurrency transactions in 2021. Other countries like India have proposed strict regulations to limit its use. If governments continue cracking down, widespread adoption could slow down significantly. Security risks and scams. Even though blockchain is secure, the crypto industry has been plagued by hacks and exchange failures. Billions have been lost due to cyber attacks, e.g., Mt. Gox, FTX collapse. Scams and Ponzi schemes. Fake crypto projects trick investors, causing major losses. Lost wallet keys. If you forget your password, your crypto is gone forever. To replace traditional money, crypto must become safer and more user-friendly for the average person. The middle ground. Coexistence, not replacement. Instead of fully replacing traditional money, many experts believe crypto and fiat will coexist. Governments are even launching their own central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, a government-backed digital currency that operates like crypto but remains under central bank control. Example: China has already launched the digital yuan, and the US Federal Reserve is researching a digital dollar. This could be the compromise between crypto's innovation and government regulation. Conclusion: the future of money. So, will cryptocurrency replace traditional money? Maybe not entirely, but it will definitely play a huge role in the future of finance. While crypto offers financial freedom, faster transactions, and inflation resistance, its volatility, regulations, and security risks prevent it from fully replacing traditional currency. Instead, we're likely to see a world where crypto is widely used for investments, online transactions, and decentralized finance, DeFi. Governments introduce regulated digital currencies to blend the best of both worlds. Fiat money remains dominant for stability, but crypto provides an alternative for those seeking control over their wealth. What do you think? Will crypto ever replace traditional money, or will they coexist? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology and finance. We conduct detailed research to create this content, but it's difficult to completely describe the story in short video. For more details, reference links are given in description. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Your support means the world to us.